Do not blame us, that position from at least two politicians about the state of crime in Jamaica, and in particular, the number of illegal guns and ammunition on Jamaica's streets. The lawmakers, in the meantime, are also urging foreign partners to help cut off the supply of illegal weapons into the country. We have the details from Dwayne Anderson.
The local crime situation continues to spiral out of control, with the latest police statistics indicating that 788 murders have been committed in Jamaica this year when compared to 738 in 2020. It is why local leaders are now looking overseas for more help. National Security Minister Dr. Horace Chang says international partners need to help Jamaica deal with gangsters who continue to order hits, ship guns, and influence other criminal acts in Jamaica while living in countries like the United States of America and the United Kingdom.
Our partners who keep putting pressure on us for different things need to give us more help. They're there, and they're really a kind of source. Because once they're active and they have money, they keep recruiting, even with our best efforts here.
The matter was raised at Thursday's meeting of the Joint Select Committee of Parliament reviewing the ZOSO legislation. Committee members Dr. Horace Chang and Philip Paulwell, who admittedly represent some of the most volatile communities in St. James and Eastern Kingston, also made it clear that they as politicians must not be blamed for the growing number of illegal bullets and guns in the criminal underworld.
I wonder if we in any way could be in supporting this by way of funding. And I have been for the last 5 years, been very careful in terms of the contracts that we do in the constituency. And of course, as you know, it's the CDF is quite minimal. So there's nothing there that they can use, nor do we provide them with a back channel support.
This narrative that you're giving out, handout to politicians plus to gangsters, it's foolishness. We need to just focus on where they're into big business in smuggling and scamming, and along with the support from the overseas people.
The lawmakers, however, accept that they must find ways to stop the guns from reaching the unattached young men in volatile communities. Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.